Hi, thanks for tuning in to Northern Trail Riders. On this episode, we are taking you back up to the UP. We had a long drive that morning, so we decided to stop off at Mackinac to stretch our legs. The sun was just coming up over the horizon, and we wanted to check out the great views.
The earliest European explorers struggled against the swift currents and unpredictable winds which ruled the Straits of Mackinac, separating what was to become Michigan's upper and lower peninsulas. Early on, the Straits was recognized for their economic and strategic military value. In the 1700s, both the French and the English built forts overlooking the waterway and stationed armies to protect their interests. Travel and commerce between the two peninsulas was limited to whatever could be transported by boat or carried across the ice in the winter. When the upper and lower peninsulas became the state of Michigan in 1837, the problem was compounded. So near, yet so far were the opposing shores. For years, many dreamed of a bridge across the straits, but the technology to build such a structure had not been discovered. It was first proposed in 1884, and from that time until November 1st, 1957, Mighty Mac was known as the bridge that couldn't be built. Actual construction started in 1954 after financing was arranged through the sale of bonds to private investors. A total of $99,800,000 was necessary to complete the project. There were many obstacles to overcome and problems to solve in the design and construction of what was to become one of the safest and most beautiful spans ever built. The total length of the Mackinac Bridge is just 28 feet short of 5 miles. The two majestic towers soar 552 feet above the water and extend another 210 feet below the surface to rest on bedrock. With 8,344 feet from cable anchorage to cable anchorage, the Mighty Mac is the Western Hemisphere's longest suspension bridge. Over 42,000 miles of wire are banded together to form the massive 24.5-inch diameter main cables. The roadbed is 199 feet above the water surface at midspan. The water...
thanks for tuning in, Northern Trail Riders. Nick's quad broke down last night, and he's got it down at the dealer getting it fixed right now. And we're out in the truck. We're gonna go do some sightseeing, and right now we're on our way down to the Porcupine Mountains, and we're gonna check that out. And should have some good footage for you here. We decided we were going to walk down to Superior here to see, and we got down there, and the closest lookout's 9 miles, and said, heck with that, you know. So we just came back truck, and we're going to head out, you know. Actually, once you ride your ATV everywhere, you don't feel like walking anywhere. We're going down here to Gabbro Falls, check these falls out. Should be pretty sweet. Hey guys, what'd you think of Gabbro Falls? Pretty amazing, right? Now we're heading up to Copper's Peak. Check that out. That should be pretty sweet too. So we're gonna head up there and get some film of that, and it's gonna be pretty sweet. Well, we just arrived at Copper's Peak. We're gonna go check this out. Come on along with us. Well, we're leaving Copper's Peak. We're heading over to Bonanza Falls now. Ride along with us. Let's go check it out. Just arrived at Pottawatomie Falls. We're gonna go check it out. station. Great place to eat. We got pizza and Sloppy Joe, and we've stopped here before and we love it. And it's over here on M28. Great place to stop to. Well, this is gonna wrap up our episode, guys. We had some breakdowns and had some troubles and didn't get to film a lot of the stuff we wanted to on the trails, but we got a lot of the waterfalls and a lot of the hot spots, and we'll catch you all next time back on the trail. Have a good one.